student, this is Mansa here. Today we are going to discuss about the chapter 5 complex number class 11th here. Let me discuss the basic concept and basic theme of this chapter here. We have given the question square root of 25. No doubt answer is the plus minus 5 here. Right student? Now in case if you have the square root of minus 25. Now what will you do? This is a no real case here. So in this case we will take the concept of the complex number. In complex number we have given the one of the alphabet here is known as the I, which is full form is known as the iota. You can say that this is the imaginary number here. Why we are taking the point of the I here? Because in the complex number we have given here square root of minus 1 is equal to I. So that's why square of I is known as the minus 1 here. Now student, where you have the given now I square, you will take the value of the minus 1 according to the chapter complex number chapter 5 class 11. So let's once again student here, same as it is we need to find the square root of minus 25. Now you will take here minus 1 into 25. You can find out the square root of 25. So this is a 5 here. But square root of minus 1 is known as the I. So that is square root of minus 25 is known as the 5I, which is the imaginary number. Now once again student, what do you mean by the complex number? In this chapter complex number is denoted by a Z, in which one of the real number and another of the imaginary number here, right? Imaginary number. So how will you put? We have the all number of the counting here is a real. Suppose we have the 2. This is a real number. And if we are putting here 5I, this is the imaginary and this one the complex number here. Student, real number is denoted in the complex number x here and coefficient of I is known as the y. So that is the complex number format is z is equal to x plus yi. I hope it is very. We have the question 5.1, question of first and second. In this case student, we need to apply all of the question is converted into a plus ib, that is the complex number. Right student? Now we have to put the all answer in the case of the complex number a plus ib is equal to z. Z is the complex number, a is a real number, b is the imaginary number. Every complex number is in form of the real plus imaginary. Z is equal to r plus imaginary number. Right student? This is the complex number symbol, this is a real. All number is known as the real here. If you find the iota, that is the imaginary number. Right student, we have discussed in the previous section what do we mean by the iota and how we can put the value of the I symbol, because minus 1 is equal to I square. Let's take the example question here student. We need to convert this question in the complex number, so we have to multiply. Firstly, after the cancellation 5, we are getting here minus 3I square. Right student, now we will put I square will be converted to minus 1 and final answer is 3 here. If we need to put the question is in form of the complex number, a real number, because we don't have any I here. हमारे पास यहाँ पर I नहीं है, so we will this is a real number. We no need to put the imaginary number, that is the I. So let us take the question. This is the answer of the first question here. Now we take the second question. We have the question here. I raised to power 9 plus I raised to power 19 student. Very simple tricks I am taking here student. Definitely you will enjoy. But don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you have some problem, you can send your comments on this number, because once for you always. Now student, I raised to power 9 plus I raised to power 19. Firstly student, when you have the question I की power जब भी आपको odd की form में मिलती है, firstly you have to preceding number, that is even number. I raised to power 8 and into I hope it is very much clear. Yes. Now let me put the focus in this section. I raised to power 18 into I have already discussed with you. You have the power is in odd, then you have to come the preceding number, that is even number. Now all even I raised to power even power. How you can solve all even number? You will put I square raised to power 4 into I. 4 to the 8 here I. Now same as it is, my dear students, 18. So you will put here I square 9 equal to 9 the 18. I hope you are enjoying with me. Yes. Now I. That's it, student. Very simple. Now I square can be converted into -1. So this is the -1 raised to power 4 into I plus -1 once again, my dear students. This one. Now this is the I -1 raised to power 4, that is the positive I. Here -1 raised to power 9I, that is the minus I. And final answer is 0. I know it is very much clear, student. If you have some problem, you can send your views on my comment this number, because